Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Lecturer Madam Lydia Ayunife, SPD and PUM, and all of my beloved friends. First of all, let us thanks to the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala because of His blessing we are able to come here to join in this business English class. Ladies and gentlemen, the presentation today is about advertising. Let's open our meeting by saying Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. But before that, let me introduce our team. We are from group 13, whose member is Elsia Nur Aziza. Her student ID number is 211101198, and me, Adila Justifa Nawasara. My student ID number is 211101199, and Riasta Marta Melisa, her student ID number is 211101100. For the first turn will be given by the first presenter, Elsia. The time is yours.
Thank you, moderator, for the opportunity. Advertising means a persuasive presentation of message to the wider community through mass media to promote products or services sold by a company. It can also be explained that advertising means advertising services that are used to express opportunities as well as to dramatize the products to be sold by the company with concept that can attract the attention of customers. Next. Purpose of advertising. The objective of advertising include to make customer aware as well as provide information related to the company's products or service, generating a sense of interest and liking in customers for the products and service produced by the company. Convincing the truth about what is intended in the advertisement, as well as moving customers in trying to own and use to the products and services sold by the company. Next. Benefit of advertising. Advertising is useful as follows. One, increase customer prospect to find out the benefit of the products and service offered. Two, help build and maintain corporate identity. Three, able to improve the reputation of the company. Four, encourage customers to buy more products and services. 5, attract new customers to replace loss of customers. 6, help increase the level of sales. 7, help promote and introduce the business directly to customers, investors, and various other parties. Thank you. I will return to the moderator.
Thank you, Elsia. Next turn is for the second speaker, which is me. I will explain to you guys what advertising function. The function of advertising activities includes, the first one is as a source of information. The ad served can provide the required information compared to others. Usually the advertisement present contains product description, distribution, or place of purchase and various other information needed by the community. The second one is economic activity. This is because producer will be encouraged to continue to produce and trade their products to complement the growing needs of the community. Third one is cost sharing. With advertising, a large economy of scale will be created for each product. This, of course, will reduce the cost of production and distribution per unit so as to create a low selling price to the public. The fourth one is media fund research. Advertising will be a source of media funds that support the media to continue to exist. This is evidenced by the numbers of emerging media which make business competition increasingly fierce. And the last one is as a means of control. With the existence of advertising activity, the public can distinguish between various original products and imitation products. Advertising impact. In addition to having a positive role, it should be noted that advertising has a negative impact with the following ads appearing. The first one is ads can be considered to violate the applicable grammar. And second one is advertising can be considered capable of encourage people to be more materialistic. And the third one is advertising is considered to encourage consumers to buy unnecessary or unwanted goods. And the fourth one is the ads that appear are considered excessive. And the last one is advertising can be considered to create a stereotype. Characteristic of advertising. The characteristic of advertising are generally as follows. The first one is communicating a term. Advertising can communicate sales message about products sold using certain themes to the wider community. And second one is long-term advertising. Advertising should be able to have an indirect impact by means of promotion so that the advertisement made should be long-term. And third one is able to build image. Advertisement are that are displayed can form an image for the wider community on brands that are highlighted in a product and service offered. Fourth one is differentiate yourself. Every advertisement of a brand certainly makes a difference with other brands. This proves that with advertising, it will show the identity of a company brands clearly so that its advantage and difference can be identified compared to a competing product. And the last one is able to provide a value. Advertising is considered to be able to provide a value to the products and service offered so that it can lead a certain perception in consumer about the product they see. That's it from me. And the next turn is for the third speaker, which is Riesta. The times is yours.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, moderator, for the opportunity. I will continue the next material. Advertising planning components. Advertising must be in line with a good marketing plan. To that end, the following are components of advertising planning, namely, one, purpose of advertising, and then advertising strategy, and last, program and budget. Next slide. Terms of making good advertising. To make good advertising, there are several conditions that must be considered, namely, caution or attention, interest, need or desire or conviction, action or action. Next slide. The importance of advertising for companies. Based on the explanation above, it is very clear that the existence of advertising play an important role for a business. For this reason, the importance of advertising for companies can be said as follows.
One, increase public awareness about the product and service offered, and then as a tool to promote product and service so that more and more consumers as it, and last as a comparison between competitors. Okay, thank you. Then just return it to the moderator.
Thank you for Riasta. Finally, we are in the end of the meeting. We would like to say thank you for the presenter and all of the audience. Hopefully the presentation will give benefit for us. Thank you for your attention. See you later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.